listen, I admit it's working.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kemi and I'm a YouTuber based in the United Kingdom. It's so nice of you to click on this video. Let's just sit back, relax and enjoy this information-packed video. Today's video is about skincare routine, and I got a lot of questions around this, and when people buy products they don't know which one goes first and how to layer the skincare product, especially when it comes to the face. So we're looking at the face today. I'm gonna do another video in terms of how to layer your body skincare as well. So there's a lot of things that goes into looking after your skin. Like if you want to have a flawless looking skin, then you need to have a lot of patience and you need to give yourself time to actually apply each step one by one. In the morning, it's very good to have a very good routine, because if you are going out, you need to make sure that your skin is well prepared and well protected from everything that is going to come across during the day. So the first thing you do, the first one from your morning routine for your face will be your cleanser. You need a very, very good cleanser, a cleanser that will actually clears off impurities from your face. Because when you sleep at night, you've rubbed your face on your pillow and things like that, you've touched your face, and you know, our face is always dirty anyway. So you have to use a cleanser that will be able to deep cleanse your face, to remove impurities and also clear away excess oil for those people that have oily skin. Sorry, I'm looking down at my notes so that I don't want to forget anything in this video. So this will also help you, you know, because if you have excess oil, this might lead to your pores being clogged, and we don't want that. And also you might have dull skin, but using a very good cleanser will help you to take this away and give you a very nice good skin. Now, one thing I must stress is, please don't use ash chemicals or ash products on your face as a cleanser. When I see a lot of soap that have been mixed on this YouTube, all these soaps, and then they're saying, oh, this is face soap, when they've combined a lot of different soaps and all that, that is not really advisable for your face. You don't want anything ash on your face. The skin around your face is actually so tender. It doesn't need all those products before you will get good results on your face. So find a very mild product that will not break down the protective barrier of your face. And this is what happens when you use all these ash products. So you need to find a very mild cleanser that you can use to wash your face in the morning. Personally, right now I use bar soap, which I have a video on some of the bar soap that I use. And because I use bar soap, I feel like I get more cleansing. Now tomorrow I might choose to go back to a normal liquid facial wash, but right now as I'm making this video, I'm still using bar soap and it's good for me. The next one, which is the second one, is a toner. Now for me personally, I don't do without a toner, mainly because, like I just mentioned, I use bar soaps to wash my face, and this might raise the pH of my face. So I needed a toner to calm down, to balance the pH of my face mainly, and that's one of the works that toners does. A toner is a great way to refresh your skin and also to remove residual debris and to balance the pH of your face. So for acne prone skin, you will look for toners that contain salicylic acid, which will help to combat breakout. And for dry skin like me and sensitive skin, you look for toners that are hydrating, that have hydrating ingredients such as hyaluronic acid and glycerin, which helps to soothe the skin. So those are the ingredients that you look for when looking for a toner to use on your face. Now I know there's a lot of toners out there, but you have to pick the one that actually agrees with your face. But a toner is also a very, very good way of having a flawless skin, because sometimes the face wash or the cleanser that we're using might not be able to remove all the debris, but with a toner you will be able to get rid of everything so that you can have a clean, beautiful face. The third one is a serum. I cannot do without a serum. If you want your skin to appear plumpy, glowy and flawless, then you need to start using serum. That is the next product I'm bringing out very soon, guys. I'm working on my facial serum. It will be out soon. A serum is super important in your skincare routine when it comes to your face. They are tailored you need to, you need to find a serum that is tailored for your skin need. So you need to know what your skin need and then find a serum that will be tailored for that particular need. For example, somebody like me now, I have to use a serum that contains antioxidants, because something that will fight the age of something that will fight the signs of aging, get rid of wrinkles, hydrate my face, soothing out my face. Those are the kind of things that I look for when I'm picking my serum. And also vitamin C is a very, very good ingredient to be in your serum. Hyaluronic acid is another best one. If you're not sensitive to niacinamide, it's also very, very good to have in your serum. When it comes to vitamin C, you can buy vitamin C, but bear in mind that don't leave it for so long. So use it as often as possible so that it doesn't oxidize. And when buying vitamin C, make sure that it has other antioxidants as well with it so that it can help it to stay, better longer. But very soon on this channel, I'm going to teach you guys how you can actually make your own vitamin C serum with so very good ingredient. I love using my camu extract or camu powder to make my vitamin C serum, and it's super effective. I'm going to be teaching you guys very soon. Now the fourth one is eye cream. Now maybe if you are young, maybe under 25, you might not need this, but 25 and above, you need to start using eye cream, especially if you are having bags under your eye, or if you are having under eye circles and things like that. You don't want wrinkle to start from your eye, because most people start getting wrinkle around their eye, so their eye area. So you need to apply your eye cream. It's super important for you to use an eye cream. You will enjoy it later in the future if you start now. Don't leave it until you are old. Start applying eye cream now. Eye creams are very, very good, especially for people who have some people's skin are really, really dry, which will make their skin to start to wrinkle. So by applying eye cream around your eye area. Now when you apply eye cream, it doesn't mean you are putting it in your eye. You apply it around your eye area. It doesn't go in your eye, just to keep that place moisturized, because you don't want it to wrinkle. And the fifth one is moisturizer, which is very, very important. You cannot do all the first step and not follow up with this fifth one, moisturizing. This is what will help your skin to stay hydrated. It will help to strengthen your skin barriers. It will help to provide moisture for your skin, because you need moisture. If your skin is super dry, then nothing will work and it will look dull and it will not glow. So you need anything that will bring moisture to your face. And I would advise you get a very light moisturizer for day use. Moisturizers are very good, but don't go and pack heavy moisturizers on your face, especially during the day. Find a very light one that will still do the job of hydrating. And for dry skin, look out for ingredients like that has moisture retention, which is like glycerin and propylene glycol, and also hyaluronic acid and so on. And for oily skin, just look out for things that will keep your face hydrated, but that does not contain too much oil that might cause more irritation. Now the sixth one for the day routine will be your sunscreen. Sunscreen is so important. Like, I think for me, sunscreen is the most important step when it comes to looking after your face, because once you go out of your house, you are exposed to all these UV rays and UVBs. Even when there's no direct sunlight, you will still get them. So for all this product that you have just patched on your face, for it to work and for it not to act against you or cause damage, you need to seal it up with a sunscreen. And your sunscreen must be a minimum of 30 SPF, a minimum, and make sure it is a broad spectrum SPF. So whether you now go for a chemical sunscreen or a mineral sunscreen is entirely up to you. I'm trying very soon, maybe before the end of this month, I'm going to bring out a video about sunscreen and different type of sunscreen, and also which one will be good for whichever skin. I'm working on it. As soon as I'm done, I'm definitely come and discuss that with you guys, because sunscreen is very, very important in our skincare routine. So then you cover, that's the sixth one, the sunscreen. So you finish up, and then for night is almost the same routine, but the only difference is one more routine, because the day one is 6, the night one can be up to 7 depending. So the first one as well at night is for you to use your cleanser. So your cleanser is ranging from your liquid cleanser or your bath soap, whichever one is suitable for you. So you use your cleanser to wash your face at night. Also make sure it's very gentle. Don't use anything too harsh that can damage your skin. And this helps you to remove your makeup. If you're someone that wears makeup, cleansing your face at night is super important. And then you follow up with the next one, which is a toner, number 2. So you use a toner. This is a time where you can now use your toner that contains things like retinol and all those ones that makes your skin to be sensitive to the sun. You can use your alpha hydroxy acid, which is your AHA. That's where you can now use it at night. So you can use your glycolic acid toner, your lactic acid toner, whichever toner, mandelic acid toner, which I'm loving right now. So you can use all those ones at night because you cannot use them during the day. So this is when you apply your toner to get rid of all those debris and also the remaining dirt left by the cleanser. And then you follow up with your serum or treatment. This is when you treat your face now. So the third one is now serums or a treatment, we can call it one. So this is when you now use your lactic acid. If you're using the lactic acid serum, for example, or retinol as well, this is the time that you use it. But don't mix your acid. Don't put two acids together. There's no need to. If you're using retinol, for example, in your cleanser, then you can use a serum that contains retinol as well to follow up, just to balance it. It's not always good to mix match. So you can do your treatment at night and you just use a mild serum during the day. And then number 4, you follow up with your eye cream. And then the 5th one, you do your acne treatment. So after your eye cream, then you go for your acne treatment. If you have acne and you want to apply any product that will help with your acne, then this is the time to apply. So it could be in form of a serum, it could be in form of a cream, it could be in form of a gel. This is the time that you apply it. Then number 6 is your moisturizer. So you need something that will create a barrier and that will seal in all those products that you have put on your skin, that will help to hydrate your skin, and so that all the active ingredients will not counteract each other and there will not be any moisture loss, and you will just sleep and wake up with a beautiful face. Now at night, I don't encourage using anything that has SPF because you are going to sleep. Normally when you use the sunscreen, you're supposed to make sure that you wash it off at night. So don't use anything that contains SPF at night. Leave that one for day. And that's it. And then the bonus one, which is for the night, is face oil. I love face oil. If you guys try to start using oil on your face, you will thank me later. This is the best way to lock in moisture at night. You will wake up in the morning and your face will feel so smooth, so flawless, and so glowy. You can try it. So now when it comes to oils, you have to know which one is good for your skin. That's another topic that I'm working on right now, to tell you guys which oil is good for different skin type. That video will be coming out very soon. So you have to pick the one that will meet your need or that will be good for your skin type. But use your oil at night after your moisturizer and your skin will never be the same again. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have enjoyed this video, if you have gained 1 or 2 things from this video, please click on that like button, subscribe to my channel, share my video with other people, follow me on Instagram, and I would so much appreciate that. If you have any question or any comment, drop it in the box down below and I will surely get back to you. Thank you guys and have a blessed day. Bye.
Smiling while you're cursing, I admit it's worth